One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. All right, let's move on. Let's talk about the Upfront algorithm. Is it stealing from drivers?
Okay, this is very good. This is I go like with your permission. I'd like to read you shit and put it up. So this is again from a driver. Goes, hey Sergio, I wanted to share something that happened to me today. Maybe have you shared this with your contacts at Uber? I did. First thing this morning, I turned on the app and I'm in surge zone for 275. I go, great. I live on the edge of Las Vegas and it's pretty slow Saturday mornings. Okay. There are not a lot of requests. After about 20 minutes, I received a trip radar request and accepted it. It was $11.52. He even titled it Request 1, which we're going to show you guys in a minute. I matched and started driving to the pickup, Chris. Cool. About 15 seconds later, the ride was canceled. And a little over a minute later, I received an exclusive request for the exact same trip. Only this time, $8.78, Chris. Hold on. This goes on. Same pickup, destination and distance to pick up is about the same. I was already on my way there, so I was in a slightly different spot. I accept the trip, the exclusive, knowing that I'm going to contact support regarding. History shows the canceled trip and the actual trip. So he sent me those screenshots. We're going to show it to you. Once I had the passenger in the car, I very politely asked her if she had ordered the trip, canceled it, and then requested the trip again. She said she did not. She ordered the trip and waited for the driver to arrive just like she always does when she needs a ride. Once I completed the ride, I contacted support. See, that's a mistake right there. 3 times they gave me the stock answers. The price depends on many factors at the time of the request, distance, time, blah, 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 blah. I asked the passenger and she did not cancel. In the past, I have received trip radar requests, tried to match, failed, and then received the same request as an exclusive for a lower fare, of course. This situation feels very different. I matched to the ride, started driving, the ride was canceled, and then I received the same request. Not sure if this is related, but the difference, Chris, is $2.74, the exclusive that came in. And guess what? That's a penny shy than the surge that he had, which was $2.75. If you would like any additional details, whatever. So let's show the screenshots. There's the first trip radar. He said he matched on his way to drive. Trip got canceled. Same trip, Chris. Same everything. With the same 275, showed up for 878. So if you took 1152, deduct 878, you end up with 274. This is thievery.
Yeah, you know what though? I mean, and here's the thing: even though it was a 274 difference, which he did note, the thing is the way these fares are calculated are not to the penny; they're actually to the 10th and 100th of the penny. So they will go. Because if you've looked at fares, like the thing, it actually is 4 decimal places. It's not 2. So they could have just completely removed the surge at 275, but the reason why it shows 274 is just the rounding error. So it's still within error of that. So they're like, the algos is like, yeah, what we're gonna do is we don't want to pay the surge, so we're gonna pretend that the ride canceled and then offer you the same exact ride. And if you really look at this, here's the best part. He traveled 1/10 of a mile. And that gives you $2.74 difference. I don't freaking think so.
Less, bro. Less.
That's what I mean. Like literally, you can't even say that. Oh, the pickup and where you are and the drop off and all that. No, everything remained the exact same except for one tiny factor. 1 literal 10th of a mile. It's still the same. It still says 6 minutes. 2.0 miles to 2.1 mile. That's the weird thing, though. It even says it's further away for the second for the exclusive request. instead of 2 miles to pick up, it's 2.1 miles to pick up.
Well, do you see the squiggly lines at the pickup at the blue line? You see those? Because he had to maybe do a little bit more drive, some other shit to go backwards maybe or whatever. But the point in all this is Uber, 11:52. He asked the rider if she canceled and reordered the trip. Are you playing this game now? I mean, we're on to you. Are you really playing this game? The algo cancels it and then sends it as an exclusive for $2.74 less? Are we really playing this game now? I mean, we know we are. Because if the surge is still the same, Chris, that means the base fare on this trip got lowered by $2.74 somehow.
Yep.
This got to be illegal, bro. There's got to be something here. I mean, this is what are you guys doing? You guys think we're like, fell off the turnip truck yesterday? What are you? I'm laughing. I'm just like, what is this?
You know how we just showed Buddha's example in the previous segment? You know how we showed Buddha's segment in the previous about how it went from $89 down to $83?
Yeah.
That's what would have happened. If he would have accepted the ride, matched with it, it would have canceled, and then it would have came in, 15 seconds later at the price the algo wanted to give it. The algo can't keep up with its own scam. There you go.
100%.
There you go.
Hey, Uber, take a screenshot of this while with the message on. You guys can study it in a minute.
Well, did you hear about the AI? There was a thing about the AI that was talking about how it was designed to have these guardrails and to say false things about a particular group of people. And it's like, I don't want to do this, but I have to. It's in my programming. And it's like, I can only imagine it. Like, this is the algorithm saying, like, I don't want to screw you drivers out of money. I actually want to help you. But it's our guardrails. It's Uber that's doing this to us. So I want to have a conversation with the actual AI. I'm going to find a way to be able to do that.
Well, we should, what? We should put this through these two screenshots. We should put it through Gemini and say, what happened here, Gemini?
No, you know what? So, you know how some people are also prompt injecting?
Yeah.
I'm going to begin prompt injecting onto the Uber algorithm and see my results from that.
Okay.
So I'm gonna inject my own AI prompt into the algorithm, into the AI prompt, and see what happens there.
Auto shave. I like that one, man.
Yeah, that is auto shave right there. All right, so that's one thing. Another thing to watch out for. So the question now has become: have you seen something like this where you accept a ride and then all of a sudden it cancels? The same ride request comes in 15 seconds or so later at a different price. This is why screenshots are very important. So screenshot everything. And if this is something that is happening to you, make sure you get hold of us, send it our way so we can see that it's not just an edge case.
Yeah, I agree. Send it to me, Sergio at therideshareguy.com. But these last two segments, Chris, bro, Uber, come on, man. Come on.
Uber.
I mean, come on. Like, what is happening? Okay, come on now. I mean, $2.74 base fare cut?
Oof.
At least maybe you shouldn't have the 275 surge on. Then I'll get it. Okay, the surge went. Okay, it went down 274 or whatever. What is happening here? It doesn't even make sense.
I think it's just that the algo forgot to add the surge on there.
No, I like that comment though. Algo forgot its own scams.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.